To make the back side of my trousers, I'm going to do some modifications. We're going to go on the crotch line and extend the crotch line by 1.5 inch because the back side is bigger than the front. So just mark 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to go on my waistline and go upwards by 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to connect my crotch to my new extended waist. So I'm just going to go and make the new crotch there. The next, I'm going to mark my new waist measurement. I'll get the existing waist measurement and mark it starting from the top. So the same exact waist measurement, I'll mark it starting from this top. Is going to slant a bit. The essence is to make the back sides a bit slanty. So I'm just going to mark it like that and connect. Okay, so now that we've finished our pattern, we're going to put seam allowance and connect this crotch line down to the knee line. So this is how you basically make the back side of the trousers. Very, very easy. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell.